Hey everybody, welcome to week 15. Let's get started and look at our course schedule. So hopefully you have printed your course schedule from Content on D2L and you have looked it over to see what is on the docket for this week. So on Monday, you will be finishing up your last post for your Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. So you will be finishing up commenting on your group members' posts, and you'll get that done before class time on Tuesday. You also have two other things to work on. One is an essay. It's by Gary Soto, which is the same author as you read for the bike. This is called The Jacket, and you are going to be taking a look at Gary Soto's essay, and you are going to be annotating this for inference. So again, remember that your annotations need to be easy for me to read, and it's easiest for me to read annotations if you change the font color in the text, or if you do the review thing feature, I guess, in Microsoft Word, so I can see what you're commenting on. And so do either one of those two. You can either change the font and write right inside the text, or you can use the review feature and make comments, and that is just fine too. So you are annotating for inference, and then there are some questions that you will be answering about your reading of The Jacket. It comes after the essay. It's in the same document. So you're going to be doing that, and then you will be uploading that into the assignment folder. Okay, then you also have this cartoon that is posted in Monday's folder, and you are going to be, it's also kind of a worksheet deal. You're going to be looking at the cartoon and answering the questions on the worksheet, and you're going to bring that to class as well so we can discuss it during class. So those are your two additional things besides replying to your group mates for your book club. All right, so that's Monday. And then on Tuesday, you come to class. So you'll be finishing up doing all of that stuff that I just talked about on Monday. And then you are going to bring to class your poetry packet. And don't forget that you should have done some kind of question or put something on the discussion board that you would like clarified out of the poetry packet, and we will be going through that together, and I will be answering questions. The poetry packet is just a way to help you start thinking inferentially. It's just a new way of thinking about things, trying to read things that are not there, right? That you have to assume that the author wants us to look at. You are inferring. So please make sure that you are completing that poetry packet. It just helps with that kind of thinking. So you're going to come on to Zoom. You're going to bring your poetry packet. We are going to discuss this cartoon, and we are also going to discuss our last close reading of The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, because that's our very last. You're going to finish up the book. So hopefully, I really hope that you enjoyed it. It is a great book. So we'll finish up and discuss the book in its entirety on Tuesday. So that's Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you are going to have a responsive reading assignment, which we haven't had for a while because really your responsive reading assignments have been with the book. So now that we're done with the book, I have this article, this little, it's more of a story that you are going to read about Julia Burney. So this is Julia Burney right here. And this is Julia Burney right here. And this is Julia Burney right here. And you are going to be reading about her life and her experience. And you're going to do a responsive reading on Julia Burney. Okay? So just a little reminder, I'm going to be looking at what you think about the text. This is all about you and your reaction to the text in a reflective essay that's at least 300 words. So I will be looking forward to reading that. Then on Thursday, there is a practice test posted. So this practice test is going to be our very last test of the semester. It is going to be about inference because that's our last unit. And what you're going to do is, you know the drill by now, hopefully, is you're going to complete the practice test, the whole practice test, before class on Tuesday. And then on Tuesday, I will be there and your classmates will be there, and we will problem solve any problems you have. I will answer any questions. I will not go through it question by question. I will only go through the questions that you have questions about. All right, so that is what you're going to be doing to get done before class time on Tuesday. Next, and week 16, Tuesday. And then your final test will open up and you will have a test to do. So there you go. That is this week. If you have any questions or need me for anything, you know to email me and set up a Zoom meeting, and I would be happy to help you. Otherwise, have a great week, and I'll see you in class or in the next presentation.